Welcome to WizzKidz TV. Let's see what animals are hiding inside these eggs. Can you guess what it is? It's a dinosaur. Do you know what kind of dinosaur this is? An ankylosaurus. Yeah, well done. Let's see what's inside this egg. Do you know what kind of dinosaur this is? Yes, it's a Parasaurolophus. Well done. I wonder what dinosaur is hiding inside this egg. It looks like a Triceratops. Let's see what dinosaur this is. It looks like a Pachycephalosaurus. Can you see the bump on his head? Pachycephalosaurus. I wonder what dinosaur is inside this one. Let's open it. It's a Dimetrodon. It looks like a Spinosaurus. This is a Dimetrodon. Let's do this egg. Do you know what this is? It's got two horns on its head. It's a Carnotaurus. It kind of looks like a T-Rex. This is a Carnotaurus. Let's see what's inside this egg. It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Wow! A T-Rex. Do you know what dinosaur this is? This is a pterodactyl. It has two wings and it flies. Pterodactyl. Let's open this one up. Do you know what this is? Yes, this is a Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus. Let's open this one. Are you ready? Let's see what dinosaur is inside. Do you know this one? Yes, it's a Stegosaurus. We have 2 more eggs to open. Let's see what dinosaur is inside this one. It's a Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus. Let's open up the last egg and see what dinosaur is hiding inside. I wonder what it is. It's a Velociraptor. A Velociraptor. Thank you so much for helping me open up all the eggs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!